Hello my dear friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management, and this is the Basic Mechanical Engineering video lecture series. Today we are going to see one example of petrol engine, and this is the base for the beginners. So let's see first of all the description of the given problem. Here you can see a petrol engine, so from that you can identify the problem is based on the petrol engine. So first of all, write the given data into the symbolic notation. So here you can see a petrol engine has a compression ratio of 6. So you know that compression ratio is V1 by V2, that is equal to 6, that is denoted by small r. Develops 15 kilowatt power. So obviously this is the brake power, because of here it is written develops the power. So you can understand from that it is the brake power. Its brake thermal efficiency is half of its air standard efficiency. So brake thermal efficiency means eta BTH is the half of air standard efficiency. So you know that air standard efficiency of the petrol engine is denoted by eta auto. So my dear friend, take care, petrol engine works on the Otto cycle, and so that the air standard efficiency is eta auto. Next, here it is air standard efficiency. So obviously you can assume gamma is equal to 1.4. Find the fuel consumption, means MF is equal to question mark. Take calorific value of the petrol as 41,500 kilojoule per kg, means it is CV. Now look at this list of the formula that we have discussed in the previous video. Here we want to find the MF, means mass of the fuel. So here you can see mass of the fuel is in picture. So definitely I can use this equation. So if you want to find the mass of the fuel, then you should have the eta BTH, CV and BP. So let's see. So here you can see we have the BP, we have the CV, but unfortunately this eta BTH is not with us. So from this equation you can find eta BTH. So again you need to find the eta auto first, and again you know that eta auto means efficiency of Otto cycle is 1 minus 1 upon r raised to gamma minus 1. So for the eta auto you can use this equation, and for that r is given to you, gamma is also given to you. So first you can find from this equation eta auto, put it over here so that you will get eta BTH, put it over here so that you will get the mass of the fuel. And that is your answer. So this is my first step, then I am going to follow the second step, and this is the third step. So this is the very simple plan of this problem. So now I am going to follow this first step. Eta auto is equal to 1 minus 1 upon r raised to gamma minus 1. Put the value. So 1 minus 1 upon r is given to you as 6. Gamma is equal to 1.4. Simplify this equation. So here you can see 1.4 minus 1 means 0.4. Simplify the whole term, then you will get 0.512. So this is the efficiency of Otto cycle. Now I am going to follow this second step. So put the value of this eta auto in this equation. So this is my second step. Put this value over here. Simplify it so that I will get eta BTH, means brake thermal efficiency is 0.256. Now put this value in this equation. So this is my next step. Eta BTH is equal to BP upon MF into CV. Put the value over here. So 0.256. So brake power, that is already you have 15 kilowatt. MF is the objective and CV is given to you as 41,500. Simplify this equation so that you will get the mass of the fuel as 0.00141 kg per second. So again, my dear friend, when you are going to use this equation, then your MF must be in kg per second. And this is your answer, find the fuel consumption. So make a box. In your examination, if it is specifically mentioned that find the mass of the fuel in kg per hour, then it is very simple, multiplied with 3600, then you will get kg per hour. So this is really very simple problem, my dear friend. Only you should remember this list of the formula so that you can decide the steps automatically. So no need to remember the steps. Thanks my dear friend for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe.